time like a soldier. Anytime just a fighter. Moving up. Every time like a soldier. Moving up. Anytime just a fighter.
Baby こった言ってんだったら show me your mind 邪魔だって半端な決心なんかじゃ Are you ready?
Hello everybody, welcome to my video. I'll be doing an unboxing video regarding the limited edition of Best Generation, and this is from Generations from EXILE Tribe. And I have been wanting to do this unboxing since last February. Yes, unfortunately this didn't come with the New Year's postcard from my supplier here in the Philippines. So yeah, I'm pretty sad that it didn't come with the poster or whatsoever. Basically I already took a look already inside, and the CD has been taken out, so I'll just show you what it was when I opened the box. So yeah, so go on with the unboxing. So as you can see, the box is very shiny. It has a very shiny logo embossed with a more reddish tint on Generations. And it also has here Best Generation. I hope you guys can see it. And here it has the details in what is included in this box. It contains 3 CDs, 4 DVDs, and 2 photo books. The 2 photo books are, one is for the international tour they had, and one is from, I do believe, from their debut up to present. So yeah. And if you guys are wondering, at the back it also has this OB that's attached in the back, and you can see the pictures of these 7 men. And yes, listed down is what is included. The 2 CDs are basically what is from their best hits, given why it's called Best Generation. And the DVDs, the first DVD contains all their music videos from, of course, the first single to present. And the second DVD is containing the A Nation and their other lives from Dance Festival 2017. Their second DVD contains a documentation film, and also here it says the third CD is the international edition. Basically, it's the same as the first CD here, but yes, they're all in English version only. And the last DVDs, there was for documentation film as well. So you should go and open this up. And here's the side. Well, it's just an OB, to be honest. Another. It says Generation Hotel. I don't know if you can see it. The top and the bottom. It's really nice. So let's open this up so you guys can see the inside. Sorry about that, I got a text message, and like I said, this is just an OB, so we'll just set this aside. And this is the back of the box. So, yeah. It really has this matte finish here, and then it's glossy on the logo itself. It's really a nice touch up. The quality is really good. So, ta-da! So here we have is the box containing all the CD and DVDs, and on this side I do believe it's just the photo books, or it's just one photo book. I'll just see, I don't remember. So yeah. The oh, okay. On this side, it's just the international stuff. So yeah, the English CD is here, and yeah, I'll show it to you later. So the English has the reverse color of the Japanese release, I believe. So yeah, here, Generation from EXILE Tribe photo book, and the 4 places they've been to: Taipei, Macau, Los Angeles, New York, and those are 2 from the USA. Of course, the members. And at the back, it shows a picture of them. So I hope you guys can see it. So I will just skim through this so you guys have an idea. This is their fans. And of course, I'll give you solo pictures so you guys can see. Yato, Rayo, Mandy, Yuka. Then yeah, here it starts. So they're really cool. So I'm just gonna browse through this. So because of course I'm not supposed to be showing every single pictures. So I'm very lucky that the shop was able to get me this when I thought this was supposed to be sold out last Feb. So yeah. I'm not so sure how many pages is this, so I'll just recheck next time when this is the final page. And I'll just set this aside for now. Generation EXILE Tribe. This is the international CD, and I do believe this is a behind the scene. Let's check if there's something new behind the jacket. So I'll just take it out. Oh no. That's done. Of course, this is just the lyric book, the member names again. These are just lyrics. Sorry, nothing special. It's just only the background. And then we'll move on to the black box on the other side. I'll just set this in. This is one whole solid box. As I said, I already took out the CD because I really wanted to listen to the songs right away. So this is what's inside here. So I'll open this up. Unlike the outer box, this has the black and red theme. So, but it still has the same glossy finish and the matte. The black is matte. And like the big box, it also has another OB. I see it really an OB. Yeah, it's an OB. I'm not so sure why they're into OBs. Yeah, the same thing, just smaller. And yeah, here in the back, same finish, red, glossy, and matte box. And here is what it contains. So first, I'll just show you what's the CDs here. So yeah, CD has 2 tracks, of course. The second CD only contains 7. I do believe they were just cover songs from EXILE and the YMCA. And yeah, the logos here. And let's see if there's something special with the jacket.
そばにいて君じゃなきゃダメだよ離さないよ前を1秒ごとに Baby I love you more
It's based on this lyrics. I think there's nothing really special inside. So yeah, just straightforward stuff.
この気持ちぎゅっと抱いて Baby I really love you more
And we'll get to the DVDs. I should just put back my stuff in. And here are these 3 DVDs. Here's it looks like 2 double CDs put together if you know the language how it looks. So here's this 2, another image. Maybe there's something special on this one. Details stuff on the DVD. Oh, okay. So this is like a mini photo book. And here we have the whole group, the whole members. Of course, the leader, Adam. So kind of funny. Yoda. Then Yuto. Hayato. Reyo. It's like a mini photo book. Mandy. And Yuta. So yeah. Another group picture. And here are the pictures from their first single of Present. And I do believe it also has the album collections also here. And their DVD. I'll let you have a good look on that. They have really released a ton of singles. And right now they just released another one this October 31. So it's really nice. Nothing special on the outer part. But the inner is really nice. Just push it. Sorry. Okay. So it goes in like this. And before I forget, there's another. The last photo book is here. So stuff. And the last photo book is really shiny. It's like the same as the outer box, just not doesn't have a darker shade on the logo. There's like this awkward cut because my camera overheated, so let's resume on the photo book. And here there's another this is, like I said before, this is from their debut, and yes, from their first single. So I'm just gonna skim through past this. And here's the other shots for their other MV. I really say this limited edition is really worth it for the price I got. Done was really sad. They didn't bring the supply shop, didn't give me the New Year card. This is from their other lives. So adorable. From Evergreen. Oh, look at that smile. Their lives. All for you. They're for anniversary. This I think is renewed. It looks so cool. I'm sorry if this is moving a lot. It's bumping into the holder of my camera. Portrait shots. So yeah. This is from A Nation. And this is the final. Like the other. I don't understand why they do this. And that's basically it. So yeah. This is the whole box that contains everything. So I really love this limited edition. It's really worth the money. So yeah, I'll come back to you hopefully with another unboxing video, and I hope you guys like it. See ya!